Hey guys, what is going on? Getting ready to drive over to Orlando. Getting ready to go meet up with Andrew, check out his car. Before I did that, I went ahead and grabbed myself some coffee down here. I'm gonna go ahead, sip my coffee and start cruising over. It's gonna be a fun video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget always to just go ahead and hit that subscribe. What is going on, guys? So there's been a little bit of a change of plans today. Andrew's car is having a little bit of a hiccup, typical thing with a race car. He doesn't feel totally comfortable driving it all the way out to Orlando. I'm gonna go out and visit him. It's about another 45 minutes from here. All right, here's Andrew. This car is white, so the white bitch gets all dirty. Well, it's not like you didn't know I was coming. Everyone, joining me here is Andrew in his race car here. So before we get to the race car, I do want to talk about Andrew. He's a very nice dude. I met him on Instagram. I decided to fly down here to Florida and just get a good look at his race car. But before we get to talk about the car itself, Andrew, why don't you tell me a little bit about you, man? Like, what sort of got you into cars and doing this kind of crazy shit?
Pretty much 5 years ago when the original, like the 9thGen SI came out, I bought my first SI. I had an Accord that was like an old person's car, so I wanted a sports car, so I got my original SI, the coupe, and then met a couple of people on the way and they brought me into the car scene. So it's pretty much just taken off from that point on.
So a lot of people normally start with like an intake or some shit like that on the car, but like, tell me about some of the modifications that you did to your silver car, your original 9thGen.
Well, I started off with lowering springs, something basic, and then worked my way up. I did the exhaust, I did the Buddy Club Spec 2. I pretty much worked my way from the bottom up.
Right.
And then I did the full bolt-ons, and I realized that I wanted more power, and then I just kept working on the car, kept doing other stuff to it. I wanted to get the supercharger originally, and then I end up with this car. Now this is like my main project car. So
right. Now, do you plan on doing anything more to your silver car, your daily driver at this point, or mainly just focus on this?
Pretty much, I just want to just keep it as a daily. Pretty much keep it stock. I mean, I know I started off with that car, but this is my new baby right now.
Yeah. This car is, why don't you tell us a little bit about how you ended up with this car, man?
Well, the guy sold me the car. He's local in my town. His name is Anthony, really good friend of mine. So I've known him before, and pretty much just hung out with him. He would drive, we do night cruises and stuff like that, and
so you saw this car a lot.
I saw this, a lot. Okay. Especially with the head swap that he got done to this car when he got it done, and then just one day he just says, "Yo, you want to buy it?" And I'm like, "Hell yeah!"
Tell us a little bit about the head swap. Like, what is it? And I imagine that you're talking to an idiot, because for all intents and purposes, you are talking to an idiot.
Well, a head swap is pretty much, you're putting a higher flowing head from a K series. It's a K20 Z3 from the 8th Gen, and mating it with a 2.4 liter long block or bottom block. So you happened?
This is something that I've forgotten about because I've been used to my 9th-gen. The
Yeah.
VTEC never really sounded, it never had that pop.
No.
Now in this car, you really do have that VTEC
Oh,
pop.
yeah.
That's VTEC. It's amazing, dude. Getting in from the passenger to this, it's like now you feel like you're in the car,
Yeah.
not on the car.
Like you feel like you're part of the car?
I'm one with the machine. Like this. Oh, you're a keeper. Steering wheel on. I'll be easy with it.
No, like you have to slam it in the Ford.
Oh, slam it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my God. I don't care what they say about you on the streets. I'd be getting in all kinds of trouble with this car, dude. I would have to move to Florida with it. I think people down here, they get it.
Right? Yeah.
All right, that dude he's a little crazy, but he just... There's a lot of little crazies around here, you know?
Fuck yeah, dude. They're everywhere.
All right, man, we're closing out the day here.
Oh, there.
Let's get the engine bay in the back. Hold on.
All right.
Get that sexy thing in there. Come on.
All right.
Come close. Thank you for doing this, dude. It's been great.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
I had a good time. You know, we drove your car.
Mm-hmm.
We got a taste of real VTEC again. K20 Frankenstein. Can you tell the viewers what you got going next with this car, man?
Just exhaust, tune, and blower, 1900 Merc Racing blower in the future. Thinking about doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, so he is thinking about boost. All right, well, thank you for joining. Don't forget to, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button over there. Can we get some Hank?
Hi there, my name is Hank Hill, and I sell propane and propane accessories. Bye now.